Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S square dx we change by this one. The integration of cosine u, we have sine u. About u, we change back to this one, and that is about s to the power of 3, and I will put about c.